Hello all, in today's session we are going to solve the problems based on cavity resonators, rectangular cavity resonator as well as the circular cavity resonator. So let us start with the first problem. Now the first problem says that calculate the lowest resonant frequency of a rectangular cavity resonator of a dimensions A is equal to 2 cm, B is equal to 1 cm and a D is equal to 3 centimeters. Now let us solve this problem. Now lowest resonant frequency, when it is asked to calculate the lowest resonant frequency, then you have to talk about the dominant mode. So as we are saying the lowest frequency, you can say your lambda will be maximum, so the mode will be the dominant mode. So whenever it is asked to calculate the lowest resonant frequency, means you are talking about the dominant mode. Now here whenever we are talking about the rectangular cavity resonator, the dominant mode in the rectangular cavity resonator will be TE101 mode. ठीक है, whereas you can say M is equal to 1, N is equal to 0 and P is equal to 1. Now let us calculate the resonant frequency for this mode. So formula for the resonant frequency of the rectangular cavity resonator is equal to F0 is equal to C by 2 M by A square plus N by B square plus you can say P by D square and the complete bracket square root. So F0 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 10, as we are talking about the things in the centimeter. All the things are given in the centimeter. You can see over here A is 2 centimeter. You can see here the problem they have given A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1 and D is equal to 3 centimeters. That's why we are just taking all the units in the centimeter. So 3 into 10 raised to 10 centimeters per second divided by 2. Again M is 1, A is 2 square plus N 0 and B you can say 1 square. So this whole term will be 0. So 1 by 3 square and the complete bracket square root. So if we solve these things, you will get the resonant frequency of 9 gigahertz. So F0 will be 9 gigahertz. This will be nothing but the lowest resonant frequency and the mode is nothing but the dominant mode. So always whenever you are solving the problems for TE waves, your dominant mode is 101. Let us talk about another problem. So calculate, now this problem deals with the circular cavity resonator. Calculate the resonant frequency of a circular resonator of the following dimensions. Diameter is 12.5 centimeters, D is given, length is 5 centimeter for TM012 mode. Now here diameter is given. So what is given? So diameter is given, that is 12.5 centimeters. So I can say my diameter is nothing but the twice into the radius. So I can calculate the radius. So A is equal to 12.5 divided by 2, which is nothing but the 6.25 centimeters. Now length is given, means D is given, so it is 5 centimeters. Now let us calculate it further. Now mode is also given, so you can say 0 1 2. So M is equal to 0, N is equal to 1 and you can say P is equal to 2. Now we know the formula how to calculate the resonant frequency for circular cavity resonator. C divided by 2 pi P N M by A square plus P pi by D square raised to 1/2. Now here when you are talking about the P and M, so here P and M means P01, ठीक है, and for that 2.405 is nothing but the dominant mode, ठीक है. So we have already seen these things. So this will be the dominant mode. Now whenever they are asking you to calculate P and M, it is P01 2.405, ठीक है. So TM01. Now whenever you will put all these things over there, F0 will be C 3 into 10 raised to 10 divided by 2 pi 2.405 divided by 6.25 square plus 2 pi by 5 square root. So if you calculate all these things, the frequency will be 6.27 gigahertz. So I can say the resonant frequency for the circular resonator will be 6.27 gigahertz. So this is how we are going to calculate the circular cavity resonator frequency.